Tulu Nadu is known for its rich traditions. Aati is known as an inauspicious month. Aati Kalinja is an Asian traditional folk art performed, practiced by Tulu people in Karnataka, which is believed to bring prosperity during Aati, which is one of the month in Tulu calendar. Tuluvas people belonging to Nalke community visit houses of people in a colorful attire masquerading as Kalinja. In return, people would offer rice, vegetables, money to the artists. It is believed that during the month of Aati, nature spirit Kalinja descends on earth to bless the land and its people. The performance begins on the day before the full moon and continues till the end of the month. It is believed that Aati Kalinja bring positive energy which would ward off evil spirits and diseases. Aati is when there is a heavy rainfall which would destroy the crops. During this season, heavy rain cause not only disaster but also diseases as the scene is prone to the insects and pressed to breed. So, man is more prone to sickness, poverty due to lack of work for the people who are solely dependent on the agriculture. This is the reason the month is known as inauspicious. This is when the man starts pleading and pleasing the nature to be merciful towards him. This will be called the origin of Aati Kalinja cult in Tulunad. Preparation of artist. The hagar and painted face are the main attraction of Kalinja's eco-friendly costume, which is made of leaves and flowers. They are born themselves with costumes made of tender palms of the coconut tree, anklets, colorful clothes, and a long cap made up of areca, spade, etc. They paint their faces with different colors and designs. The skirt, which flows down his waist, is another piece of art. It is made of tender fronds of coconut and are interlaced with banana strands. Later, he paints his face and hands in various colors and designs, and holding an umbrella of dry palm leaves makes him ready to visit the houses. Aati Kalinja visit houses and carry out rituals of sprinkling water mixed with charcoal, turmeric powder, tamarind to do away any misfortune that might have fallen on the family and the cattle. He dances to the beat of the drum called Temire, which is of very significance in culture of Tulunadu. Accompanist beats the drum and recites the song Aati Gabatte Aati Kalinja, narrating the story of the spirit. 112 Aati Kalinja arrives, keeps evil at the bay. In respects to this household member, give him rice. Aati Kalinja is also considered as a traditional healer who at times dispense medicinal herbs to overcome illness. With changing time, it is very different situation now. Development, education and increased employment opportunity has led to disappearance of this ancient ritual. Reduction in paddy cultivation too contributed to the disappearance of this tradition. This old ritual is on the verge of extinction. Karnataka Tulu Nalke community members in the city are not keen on continuing with the tradition as they get more job opportunities due to reservation and urbanization. Parents of Nalke community members dress their children at Aati Kalinja and make them dance to the tunes of Padana, which is traditional Tulu songs, in front of houses. Nowadays, children are too hesitant as they concentrate on education. In spite of it, Aati Kalinja remains an integral part of the folk culture of the Tulunadu people. And one can witness this folk dance only in the interior region of Tulunadu during the Aati days. Hope you like knowing one more tradition about Tulunadu. Thanks for watching.